How to change position in EA Sports FC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make different formations or change position. First of all, open your application. Now, first you must tap on this club button on the middle. So you'll open to your club settings. Here in the middle, you can see your My Team option. Tap on it. Here on the left, you can see this team editing option at the last. Tap on it again. So this is the place where you can change the position. Now here there are different positions that are available. Now simply tap on the one that you want to change. So you can unlock other different formations too by buying it directly or by playing and opening the crates. So here tap on select and it has been done. So the formation changes and your team will play accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.